So we organized this RAXathon basically to get feedback from our developers in-house, like how useful it is, if they're actually able to use it and create useful applications. At the same time, to promote awareness also to our other developers who are not part of the RAX team, for them to familiarize what RAX is all about, so that we'll have more people familiar with it. I think we've done a pretty good job with this event. So we're looking forward to growing the RAXathon, maybe possibly going public in the next events. Yes, so for the winner of 10,000 pesos between Team Smartech and Adarnables, the winner goes to Team Smartech! Congratulations!
Pinaka-challenging part dun sa paggamit namin ng RAX is yung hahanapin namin yung mga activities na magsuswak talaga dun sa ginagawa naming process.
I think we won because pinlano namin to ng maayos. After ng sprint planning namin kahapon, nagplan na kaming apat. Actually, apat kami dito. So, wala lang yung isa. And nilatag namin lahat ng problems nung naisip na application.
Same thing. So we had fun. We're not developers. We don't have the technical skill set, and we actually joined the contest just to see if we could really just learn it on the spot, if it's easy to use, and we were happy that we were able to make at least something out of it. It is very promising. Yeah. In the industry, whatever industry it is, marami talaga siyang mga manual processes eh. Hindi na alam that the cost goes into time spent na in the wrong way. So parang too much manual processes. We're in the verge of putting much more in automation, robotics. Yung tipong everything will run and you could focus more on what people should be doing. Let the computers do what they're supposed to do and then people be people na lang.
I'm a RAX believer now.
RAX believer.
This RAXathon is actually the first time we introduced new features for RAX. First one is OCR and image recognition. We also added our AI functions for these guys to use, and our Google integration. We actually have Google Home integration, Google Voice integration now.
So RAX Editor can be purchased on a subscription basis. So for 1 to 3 users, we can offer you our professional license. For 3 users and more, we can offer you our enterprise license with unlimited number of users. So we are also offering our free trial version. You can download it on our website. So just visit www.raxsuite.com.
See you at the next RAXathon event.